Welcome back to SmartDrive Future. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Toyota Supra, a luxury SUV that blends performance, design, and cutting-edge technology. The 2026 Toyota Supra continues its legacy as one of the most iconic sports cars, blending high-performance engineering with cutting-edge design. With its aggressive styling, powerful engine options, and refined technology, the new Supra is built to satisfy both purists and modern driving enthusiasts. For car lovers and speed junkies, this model represents Toyota's relentless pursuit of perfection on the road and the track. One of the most notable upgrades in the 2026 model is the enhancement of its powertrain. While still retaining the beloved 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine, it now delivers a more refined 400 horsepower and improved torque distribution, offering sharper acceleration and a more responsive throttle feel. Toyota has fine-tuned the suspension and steering setup, giving the Supra an even more connected and thrilling drive experience. Whether on tight city streets or open highways, the 2.0-liter four-cylinder variant also sees performance improvements, catering to drivers who prefer a lighter, more balanced ride. The exterior design of the 2026 Supra stays true to its athletic heritage, with aerodynamic lines, a wide stance, and aggressive front and rear fasces. Subtle but effective refinements to the headlights, grille, and rear diffuser enhance both appearance and function. The lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber elements in the bodywork ensure the Supra remains nimble without sacrificing safety or durability. New color options and alloy wheel designs add more personalization, appealing to a wider range of enthusiasts. Inside, the Supra balances sportiness with sophistication. The driver-focused cockpit features premium materials such as Alcantara, leather, and brushed aluminum accents. The 8.8-inch digital instrument cluster and infotainment system have been upgraded with a more intuitive interface, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, and a high-end JBL sound system for an immersive audio experience. Enhanced noise insulation makes the cabin quieter than previous models, allowing drivers to enjoy both comfort and control during longer drives. Toyota hasn't overlooked safety and assistance features either. The 2026 Supra comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These features not only improve everyday usability but also boost confidence for drivers pushing the car closer to its limits. From the racing circuits of Japan to the streets of global cities, the Supra has always stood as a symbol of performance and passion. The 2026 model continues this tradition, now refined for a new generation of drivers. It strikes a remarkable balance between raw power and everyday practicality, making it one of the most desirable sports cars in its class. With a strong heritage, updated performance, and modern tech, the 2026 Toyota Supra is more than just a car, it's an experience that excites from the first ignition to the final destination. For fans and potential buyers alike, this Supra proves that legends don't fade, they evolve. Subscribe to SmartDrive Future for car reviews, comparisons, and test drives to stay updated with the latest in the automotive world.